Are you ready for a glimpse into the future of Saudi Arabia? Well, hold on to your hats because we've got a front row seat to one of the most ambitious mega projects in the world. It's called Mukaab, and it's set to change the game for this booming desert nation. Picture this: pristine coastline, luxurious hotels, high-tech industries, and a whole lot of fun in the sun. That's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Mukaab. The masterminds behind this epic project have big plans to transform this corner of Saudi Arabia into a world-class destination for business, pleasure, and everything in between. But what really sets Mukaab apart is its sheer scale. We're talking over 2,500 square kilometers of jaw-dropping development. It's a city within a city, and it's just getting started. So why should you care about Mukaab? Well, for starters, it's a game changer for the entire region. Saudi Arabia has always been a force to be reckoned with, but Mukaab is taking things to the next level. From the latest in green technology to a bold new approach to tourism, this is a project that's rewriting the rules of what's possible. So buckle up and get ready to witness history in the making. This is Mukaab, the future of Saudi Arabia. Mukaab is not just any ordinary development project, it's a bold new vision for the future of Saudi Arabia. With a focus on sustainability, technology, and innovation, Mukaab aims to become a world-class destination for business, leisure, and everything in between. One of the most exciting aspects of Mukaab is its commitment to green technology. The project is designed to be 100% powered by renewable energy, with state-of-the-art solar farms and wind turbines providing clean, sustainable power to the entire development. Mukaab is also a hub for high-tech industries. The project is home to cutting-edge research and development centers, as well as a range of industries focused on everything from advanced manufacturing to artificial intelligence. This means that Mukaab is not just a place to visit, but also a place to work and invest in. And when it comes to leisure and entertainment, Mukaab is something for everyone. The development boasts some of the world's most luxurious hotels, top-rated restaurants, and exclusive clubs. But it's not just about the glitz and glamour. Mukaab is also home to some of the most breathtaking natural scenery in the world, including pristine beaches, rolling dunes, and crystal-clear waters. Mukaab is located in the northwest of Saudi Arabia, along the Red Sea coast. The development covers an area of over 2,500 square kilometers, making it one of the largest mega projects in the world. Mukaab is not just one project, but a series of interconnected developments, each with its own unique focus. These include a luxury resort, a cultural district, a financial district, and a futuristic city. Mukaab is designed to be a completely sustainable development with a focus on renewable energy, green technology, and eco-friendly practices. The project aims to reduce carbon emissions, conserve water, and minimize waste, while creating a healthy and livable environment for its residents and visitors. The Mukaab Resort District is home to some of the world's most exclusive hotels and resorts, including the Amman Resort, the Ritz-Carlton, and the One and Only. These luxury properties offer a range of amenities and services, including private beaches, world-class spas, and gourmet restaurants. Mukaab's Cultural District is a hub for art, history, and education. It includes museums, galleries, and exhibition spaces showcasing the rich heritage of Saudi Arabia and the wider Middle East. Mukaab's Financial District is designed to be a hub for business and investment, with a range of office spaces, conference facilities, and cutting-edge research and development centers. Mukaab's futuristic city is a vision of what urban life could look like in the 21st century. It includes high-tech infrastructure, smart buildings, and advanced transportation systems, as well as a range of innovative services and amenities. Mukaab is not just a development project, but a social and cultural movement. The project aims to create a new sense of national pride and identity for Saudi Arabia while promoting tolerance, diversity, and creativity. It's set to become one of the most important destinations in the world, with millions of visitors expected to flock to the development each year. It's a project that's changing the game for Saudi Arabia and the entire Middle East, and it's only just getting started. One interesting aspect about Mukaab is its focus on creating job opportunities for Saudis. The project aims to create 1.2 million new jobs by 2030, with a particular focus on hiring local residents. To achieve this goal, Mukaab is partnering with a range of government and private sector entities to offer training and development programs for local residents. These programs are designed to help Saudis acquire the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in a range of industries, from hospitality and tourism to finance and technology. By creating job opportunities for Saudis, Mukaab is not only contributing to the economic development of the region, but also empowering local communities and promoting social inclusion. It's a project that's not only transforming the physical landscape of Saudi Arabia, but also its social and economic fabric, and that's truly exciting. Another interesting fact about Mukaab is that it's being developed with a strong focus on technology and innovation. The project is leveraging cutting-edge technologies to create a truly smart city where infrastructure and services are optimized to maximize efficiency, convenience, and sustainability. Some of the innovative features that are being incorporated into the development include autonomous transportation. Mukaab is exploring the use of autonomous vehicles to provide transportation services within the development. This could include everything from self-driving taxis to delivery robots that bring groceries and other goods directly to residents' doorsteps. Renewable energy. Mukaab is prioritizing the use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to minimize the carbon footprint of the development. The goal is to create a completely self-sustaining energy system where the energy generated by the development's own resources meet its demand. Smart buildings. Mukaab's buildings will be equipped with a range of smart technologies that can optimize energy use, control lighting and temperature, and enhance security and comfort for residents and visitors. Digital infrastructure. Mukaab is building a state-of-the-art digital infrastructure that will provide high-speed connectivity and a range of advanced services to residents and businesses. This will include everything from high-speed internet access to cloud-based services and virtual reality applications. By leveraging these and other innovative technologies, Mukaab is setting a new standard for smart cities and demonstrating the potential of technology to create a more sustainable, efficient, and livable urban environment. Another interesting aspect of Mukaab is its commitment to sustainability and environmental conservation. The development is being designed to minimize its impact on the environment and protect the region's unique natural resources. Here are some of the ways that Mukaab is promoting sustainability. Green spaces. Mukaab will feature extensive green spaces including parks, gardens, and nature reserves. These spaces will not only provide recreational opportunities for residents and visitors, but also serve as important habitats for native plant and animal species. Waste management. Mukaab is implementing advanced waste management systems to minimize waste and promote recycling. This includes the use of smart waste bins that can detect and sort different types of waste, as well as innovative technologies for composting and recycling. Water conservation. Mukaab is prioritizing water conservation and promoting the use of sustainable water sources, such as desalinated water and recycled wastewater. The development is also exploring the use of advanced irrigation technologies that can optimize water use and minimize waste. Sustainable construction. Mukaab is implementing sustainable construction practices to minimize the environmental impact of the development. This includes the use of eco-friendly building materials, energy-efficient systems, and advanced construction techniques that minimize waste and carbon emissions. By prioritizing sustainability, Mukaab is not only creating a more environmentally friendly development, but also setting a new standard for sustainable urban planning in the region. Mukaab is set to become one of the largest tourism destinations in the world. The development will offer a range of world-class amenities and attractions, including luxury resorts, cultural districts, adventure parks, and entertainment venues. So whether you're a business traveler, an investor, or simply looking for a world-class vacation destination, Mukaab has something to offer. This is a project that's putting Saudi Arabia on the map, and it's only just getting started. Get ready to witness the birth of a new era in the Middle East. This is Mukaab. And there you have it. Thank you for watching our video about Mukaab, the ambitious project being undertaken by Saudi Arabia to create a world-class destination for tourism and business. We hope you found our overview informative and interesting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues who might also be interested in this exciting project. And if you haven't already, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and insights on Mukaab, as well as other developments in the world of business and technology. And if you have any thoughts or comments on Mukaab or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.